A bucket full of hot water is kept in a room and it's cooled from 75 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius in time T1 minutes, from 70 to 65 in T2 minutes, and from 65 to 60 degrees Celsius in T3 minutes. Then, so you know that first it is changing the temperature from 75 to 70 in a time of T1. Then the temperature is changing from 70 to 65 in a time of T2, and from 65 to 60 in a time of T3. So according to Newton's law of cooling, we know that as the dt by dt, the value of difference in or rate of cooling is equal to constant into temperature of object minus temperature of surrounding. So with respect to time, the difference between temperature of object and temperature of surrounding is decreasing. So the value of rate of cooling is decreasing. That means now it is going to take more time for same change in temperature. So we can say that this T3 will be more than that of T2, which will be more than that of T1. So according to the given options, we can say that option D is correct.